Hi, welcome back here in the Joy of Pastels studio. Have you ever wondered how to draw fine thin whiskers of a horse or a cat? These fine hairs below the chin and around the nose? I show you exactly how to do that here today in this video. This is an insight into one of my drawing lessons. I have drawn this brown horse on black Casson meat and velvet paper. By the way, this worked out really well. I like this brown on black background combination. If you have any questions about the paper, the material I use, pop them below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. That I can send you notifications when the next video is on here. So if you would like to join the waitlist of Animal Art Club, here is the link that you also get informed when we open the doors next. I show you now how to draw whiskers and explain that in detail.
Okay, so let's take for the whiskers, in that case here the flesh 132, the beige red, and with little pressure draw some so fine thin strokes downwards into the background. Move the pencil over the paper very gently, move it fast, and let's create here some fine thin whiskers. The horse also has here some so hairs going down, and with little pressure let's also draw some on the right here. Maybe let's take the light gray 230 for the little whisker hairs here on the left. Let's also add here 2 hairs and 1 here, maybe here another one. We can also add some little dots here on the horse's nostril area. Put in here a little bit gray, and also add here below some very thin whisker hairs. Also here some on the right. Below the chin there are also the hairs. Let them cross, overlap.
Okay, how did you like drawing whiskers? How did you like that video? Was that helpful? Have you any questions? Pop them below in the comments. This was an insight into one of my drawing lessons. My students have access to the full animal portrait in Animal Art Club. Here you find the link to the waitlist, and if you would like to see more videos, then check out this video here, and then I hope I see you soon in the next video. Enjoy drawing. Bye bye.